Pars Isotope Company. Iodine 131 Capsule. This film is about the Iodine 131 therapeutic and diagnostic capsule, which is produced in Pars Isotope Company. This radiopharmaceutical is used for diagnostic and therapeutic purpose of thyroid gland disease and used also for hyperthyroidism and thyroid cancer. This radiopharmaceutical is administered for oral use only. This packaging is containing a lead shield that the Iodine 131 capsule vial is located into it. Open the package after ensuring that it has been transferred due to your request. Check the type of production, expiration date, and storage condition of radiopharmaceutical. If not, do not use it and call the supplier or producer. After opening the packaging, read the leaflet of the radiopharmaceutical carefully. Take out the shield from the packaging and check the information on the label, such as type, date of production, activity, and expiration date. Open the shield under the lead glass shield for reducing the absorbed dose by personnel. After opening the shield, look carefully inside the shield and check the vial. If the vial has been broken or damaged, don't use it and call the supplier or producer. Measure the activity before using this radiopharmaceutical, and if there is a wrong activity, ensure that your dose calibrator has been calibrated. Call the supplier or producer. The capsule which is inside the vial should be completely healthy, and the powder should not be removed from the capsule. If you see any damage, call the supplier.